Get ready. Start. Sir, almost all the newspapers in the country have spoken rather strongly against the reckless imposition of sales tax. But we find that the government have not paid any heed to the criticism made against the sales tax. On the contrary, the government have been issuing circular after circular calling upon the state governments to raise additional money by taxation, especially by imposing the sales tax. Now, as you know, even in the meeting of the National Development Council, which was held some time back, the state chief ministers pointed out that they were not in a position to raise more than rupees 300 crores by way of taxation, while the central government demanded that they should raise rupees 2 to 5 crores by way of additional taxation in their respective states, leaving aside the central taxes. Almost all the chief ministers objected to this proposal, and they said that their capacity as far as taxation was concerned in their states had reached the saturation point, and that it would not be possible for them at all to go beyond the limit of rupees 300 crores. We thought that these opinions of the state chief ministers would be seriously taken into account by the government, but they have not done so, and we are extremely disappointed to find in the second five-year plan, to which I shall come later, that out of the amount of rupees 400 crores representing the uncovered gap, they want to raise rupees 300 crores by way of taxation, and I have not the slightest doubt in my mind that there will be a greater pressure on the states to impose taxes on various things. Now, as you know, the states are not in a position to impose any income tax that is beyond their jurisdiction. They can only impose certain other types of taxes, for example, the sales tax and so on. In fact, sales tax is the real thing as far as the states are concerned. Therefore, if the central government makes more and more demands on the states to find additional finances by way of taxation, it inevitably means, in the circumstances, that the states will be going in more and more for imposing the sales tax. Now, the central government is likely to come into the picture for imposing sales tax